Today we are going to go through a WebQuest all about animals by me, Kimberly Anderson. So in this lesson, we are going to be zoologists and research different animals that live in the Arctic. Use the websites I have provided to find some information needed for your presentation on Arctic animals. This WebQuest will help students learn about different kinds of Arctic animals. After WebQuest is complete, the students will give a presentation with their group on what they have learned. So if you scroll down a little bit more, you have all these buttons that say task, process, evaluation, conclusion, and about me. The first tab you're going to click on is task, and this will take you to your assignment. And the assignment is, after finding information from your websites provided in the process tab, there's a link right there to the process tabs if you need one. You can also click up here if you'd like. You and your group are going to create 5 different slides for 5 different animals, listing the following on each slide. So the first thing you're going to do is identify what the animal is, its height, weight, color, and how you know it's that animal by looking at it. Next, you're going to identify its habitat, where it can be found, and what it eats. You're going to list 2 fun facts about each animal, and then you're going to find 1 to 2 pictures. If you need help with that, I will help you. Here is an example that I did. Okay, so now you're going to click the process tab, and that's going to tell you how to do your assignment. So, step 1 is you're going to create a group of 4 to 5 people. Not 6 or 7, not 8 or 9, 4 to 5, please. Step 2, with your group, you're going to research using the following websites that I have listed below. So you're going to scroll down, and then you're going to list or go through each website and do that way. Then after you've gotten all your information, you're going to go on to step 3. So then you're going to make a PowerPoint about 5 different animals that you have found information on. Okay, now if you want to know how you are going to be graded on this, I am going to put this up and you can learn how you're going to be graded and what I expect. Credits is just where I got my information from, because you always want to cite your sources. Then after you do that, we're going to present, and I'm going to evaluate you, and you are done. So I hope you enjoyed this assignment. You learned a lot about different Arctic animals, and maybe now you'd like to learn about more Arctic animals. Teacher page. What's the site used for? The site is used to inform students on different Arctic animals.